I forgot to turn on my GoPro for the pretty part back there with the cliffs, but this is Willow City Loop. There's a lot of bicycles out here, which is kind of cool. It's a great ride to ride a bicycle, but it's miles and miles. But I like this road. I was thinking of me to come out here like a couple months later when the wildflowers are all out. But it's such a cool road. It snakes all the way around, and I come back out on 16 again, closer to Fredericksburg. I didn't want to get gas in Llano. My lord, they're like 40 cents a gallon more expensive in Llano than pretty much anywhere else. Those poor people in Llano are being robbed. I don't know why. They have to pay so much for gas over there. I got it for $2.09 last night, and it's $2.49 over there. That's just wrong. Anyway, this is really pretty through here, though. You see them crossing all these cattle guards all the time because it's open range. Anyway, I'll turn it off if I see anything really pretty. Bye. Well, I should have had my GoPro on. I just passed like two or three Honda Goldwing trikes and one Tri-Glide and a motorcycle. But there were some trikes going the other way, some pretty trikes. Old people like me. It's kind of pretty here. Oh, that's a pretty view. Nobody behind me, so we got the bluebonnets coming out right here alongside the road. But look how pretty that is. I would love to live on. There's a lot of land for sale on this Willow City Loop, like 500-600. I just saw 38 acres over there. But how awesome would it be to live out in these hills? Not too far from Fredericksburg either, so you have plenty of places to go and get groceries and food. But look how pretty this is. I like it out here. A lot of people out on this road today, and it's a Thursday. It's just pretty. Look at the rocks over there. That's kind of cool. It's all rocky. Yeah, we've got, well, I don't know if those are yellow wildflowers or not, but I saw some red ones coming out too, so they're at the very beginning, which is pretty cool. I think I saw that before, mentioned it before, how they put those fence posts in those stones. Anyway, bah. I saw a little pull out here, which is a scenic overlook. Take a break. Get off the thing, but it's pretty. Oh. Look at all a lot of wind today, so those big old hawks are just grabbing they don't even have to flap their wings. They're just flying around. Even the oaks we have live oaks that they lose their leaves right now. But some of these old oaks they've lose their leaves in the fall, so they're starting to come back now. These are just ugly ass ugly cedar trees, cedar bushes. And when those, everybody has cedar fever, when those, I don't know if it's in the fall, you could shake them and just see a powder, just brown powder, just fill the air, and then the wind just kind of takes it. Boy, it's nice out. Beautiful day. I might have to go. I gotta get gas in Fredericksburg. Cleaned my bike up, but I didn't clean the wheels.